Hey guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV. Today I am here with the 2023 Forest River Wildwood 32RET. This thing comes in at $38,988 or about $330 a month for qualified buyers. We can take care of the financing here as we have nationwide financing. We also have nationwide shipping. Love to hear from you. Call or text me at 231-215-2750. Reach out to us at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. Let's check out the inside of this. Tons of wide open space with the 2 slide outs. Great for entertaining friends, guests, also a great couples camper. Guys, we handle all the financing right here at Lakeshore RV. We're also going to ship nationwide. We've been doing it for 30 years. Love to hear from you. Text or call me at 231-215-2750. Call us at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. Either which way, love to hear from you. Can't wait. Thank you.